Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, July 20th. Renewed investor optimism could help stocks build on yesterday's strong gains. The Dow Industrials posted their biggest one-day advance since December, amid signs of progress in the debt ceiling debate in Washington. President Barack Obama said there had been some progress in talks with lawmakers and praised a Senate plan that would cut $3.7 trillion from the deficit over 10 years. The plan from the bipartisan Gang of Six would also make Social Security solvent over 75 years and reduce marginal income taxes. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner has said that failure to raise the debt limit by early August could force the U.S. to begin defaulting on some debt obligations. And rating agencies have warned that they would downgrade U.S. government debt in the event of a default.
Investors are also awaiting an emergency Eurozone summit meeting tomorrow, aimed at addressing Europe's sovereign debt problems. The hopes for progress at that meeting are helping the euro add to its recent gains against the U.S. dollar. The dollar is also drifting lower against other major currencies, and U.S. Treasury yields are moving back up as traders continue to shift into riskier assets like stocks and commodities. Right now, oil prices are jumping above $99 a barrel. They're also being helped by a report showing that U.S. crude supplies dropped more than expected last week, a sign that demand may be improving from the world's largest energy consumer. And turning to gold, it's dropping back from its record high above $1,600 an ounce.
Some strong quarterly results from the technology sector are also helping to boost investor optimism. Apple's earnings more than doubled from the same period last year, far surpassing analyst estimates. And revenue jumped 82%. The increases were mainly due to better than expected sales of Apple's iPhone, but iPad shipments also topped forecasts. The company also said it generated more than $11 billion in cash from operations during the quarter. Apple shares are jumping more than 5% on the news and could open above the $400 mark. Meanwhile, shares of Yahoo are dropping more than 2%. Second quarter profit at the internet giant rose 11%, matching estimates. But net sales declined 5%. Yahoo also issued a revenue outlook for the current quarter that fell short of Wall Street expectations. After today's closing bell, we'll hear from Intel and eBay, along with Dow component American Express.
Another member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average is out with earnings this morning. United Technologies reported a 19% increase in second quarter profit, helped by strong performances at its Otis Elevator and Pratt & Whitney plane engine units, as well as its other businesses. UTX also raised its full-year outlook above analyst estimates, and the stock is rising nearly 2% in the pre-market. Another stock winner this morning could be Abbott Laboratories. The healthcare company topped estimates with a 50% jump in net income on 9% higher sales. Abbott also lifted its earnings forecast for the full year by 4 cents a share. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.